For many IoT devices, an intermittent low-bandwidth connection is sufficient. Two technologies have the support of the 3GPP, LTE-M and Narrowband IoT. Let's examine the differences. LTE-M or Cat-M are low-bandwidth options for existing LTE networks, best for battery-powered devices that can save power by sleeping between connections. It works by imposing a peak of 1 megabit per second and 1.4 megahertz of cellular bandwidth. LTE-M, while low-power capable, can also handle high-bandwidth use cases, even voice over LTE. Due to its legacy in standard LTE, LTE-M is also suitable for international roaming. For use cases where devices must move between cell towers frequently, LTE-M supports connected mode mobility, just like a cell phone. Narrowband IoT, or NB-IoT, is designed from the ground up for low-bandwidth IoT workloads. Connections peak at around 200 kilobits per second, using only 200 kilohertz of cellular bandwidth, allowing thousands of devices to connect to a single base station. Ultra-low-cost narrowband modules should be available in the near future. Devices connected to narrowband networks can communicate using NIDD, or non-IP data delivery. This can offer significant power and security benefits. Narrowband IoT is primarily designed for massive IoT use cases, giant networks of sensors and actuators that don't exist today. As such, devices can be relocated using idle mode mobility, but won't perform as well when moving around constantly. Narrowband IoT technology provides a very long-term roadmap for IoT device makers. It is a key component of 5G standardization for IoT. Consider the requirements of your IoT device against the differences we discussed between LTE-M and NB-IoT, availability in your region, bandwidth requirements, hardware costs, roaming requirements, device mobility, long-term support. Visit twilio.com/wireless to learn more.